Hello and welcome back to the lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing about string format using f-string. Well, in our previous video, we've discussed about string concatenation and we've seen how we concatenate string with string, and also we've seen the issue that arises when we try to concatenate string with a number. And I've shown you a way to concatenate string with a number, not by using the plus operator, but rather using the comma. So string formatting or f-string is actually another solution to concatenate string and number. It's basically an even better solution than the one I've shown you in the previous video by using comma. So the way you can concatenate string and numbers using f-string is using a placeholder. Let me actually go ahead and show you this example. Let's say we have a variable called age and is 27. And now let's define a text, which is going to be a string. My name is Mustafa. Okay, comma, I am, let's say, plus age. And if we try to print this our text, we know we're definitely going to run into an error because this is not a valid way to concatenate string and number, right? As usual, we know that, but we can simply use the comma as I've shown you earlier, age. Now if we run our program, we're going to have our my name is Mustafa and I am 27. But as you can see, it's wrapping our string inside the parentheses and also inside single quote, while in a normal case what we are expecting to see is just the row string without anything wrapping it. So this is exactly where the need to use f-string arises. So to use f-string, all you need to do is you're going to go ahead and specify f, use the f letter right before the string, and then instead of using the variable outside, you can as well use the variable inside the string inside a placeholder, which is a curly brace like so. And now within your placeholder, you can simply go ahead and call your age variable. Let's go ahead and copy this, paste it in between the placeholder like so. And now you have f-string. Now you concatenate number and string. Now if you print your text, you're going to have exactly what you are expected to have, which is my name is Mustafa and I am 27, which is age. Now let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, now we have our expected output. My name is Mustafa, I am 27. So this is basically how to use f-string. Just by specifying the f in front of the string literal, you can go ahead and concatenate your number or use your number within the string and everything will be absolutely fine. Now let's go ahead and specify another example. Let's say text 2 should be in double quote. The price is, let's specify a placeholder, dollars. Okay, let's go ahead and specify the price right above here. Let's say price is, let's say 50. Okay, let's go ahead and copy this, paste it right here. As you can see, we have to put the f-string for this to be recognized as a placeholder and a variable. So let's go ahead and do that. F, as you can see, it has changed the styling, the color has changed. Now this indicates that it recognizes this as a placeholder and this is a variable. So now let's go ahead and print our text 2, copy, paste it right here. Now we should have our output. The price is $50. So the price is $50. And of course, placeholder can include modifiers to modify the values. Let's say we wanted to print the price in 2 decimal places. Let's say 50.00. So we can include a modifier, a valid modifier, like so. Let's say .2f. Okay, this will basically modify the price and convert it to 2 decimal number. Now let's go ahead and run our code. As you can see, the price is $50.00. And a placeholder can also take an expression. Let's go ahead and copy this line of code. Let's come down below here, paste it. And now let's go ahead and say text 3 instead of 2. And instead of price, let's specify an expression. Let's say 20 times 3, which is going to be 60, I think $60. Okay, and now let's go ahead and print text 3 instead of text 2. Paste it right here. Let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, the price is $60. So friend, this is basically all about the f-string. This is how we use the f-string to concatenate between string and numbers. And as you can see, this is an even more cleaner and more advanced way to concatenate a number and a string in Python. So I hope everything is clear to you in this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.